I'm trying to export the default solution using the UI way. Here you can see that it has thrown an error after lots of time and processing. So to overcome this challenge, we are following a programmatic approach. Using that, if you execute the script, you will be able to successfully export the same solution which is giving the error right now. You can see on your screen, simply run this script. Now you can see the solution has been successfully exported. I will take you to the physical location as well. Here you can see the default solution has been successfully exported. Subscribe to Dynamix Academy and press the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss a video from Dynamix Academy. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how you can programmatically export default CRM or Dynamics 365 customer engagement solution. So let's get started. Many a times we need to export the default solution. The most common way through which we try to export our solution is by going to the customizations and customize the system, and we'll try to export the default solution from here, and which may or may not work, right? For example, let me show you. For my case, it was not working. So this is my on-premise setup, and I'm trying to export the default solution using the UI way. It takes a little bit of time, and then at the end, either it gives you a timeout exception if your default solution contains heavy customization, or it may give some other errors. Here you can see that it has thrown an error after lots of time and processing. So if you try to debug, like, it may be because of multiple reasons. If you see the exception log, you might see such errors like either thread being aborted or timeout exceptions that you will be able to see in your log details. But somehow, like, you will not be able to proceed from here if you use the UI method. So to overcome this challenge, we are following a programmatic approach. We are going to use the PowerShell script, and using that, if you execute that PowerShell script, you will be able to successfully export the same solution which is giving the error right now. So let me show you the PowerShell script that we are going to run. You can see on your screen, this is the PowerShell script. With this PowerShell script, you will be able to export any solution which is present in your organization, not only the default one, but I'm taking the default solution because most of the times, like, default solution will give you an exception or throw an error when you try to export it from the UI side. So this solution name that you need to give is the default, and the path, the physical path, once it is exported, where you want that solution path or where you want that solution to be present. So this is my path. I will show you. This is under C drive, the exported solution file. So you can see this is my C drive, and this exported solution folder. Right now, it does not contain anything. Now let me start executing that PowerShell script again from the scratch. So first of all, you need to run your PowerShell IAC as an administrator and open or copy the code that I will be giving to you. Open the PowerShell script in the same, change the solution name that you want to export and the path where you want to store that exported solution, and then simply run this script. So now it is going to give you the familiar plugin registration tool dialog box for the connection to your on-premise or online instance, wherever you want to connect it. So you can see on your screen the regular PowerShell interactive login has been triggered. So you give the proper details and click login. It will give you to which organization that you want to connect. So this is only for the connection, connect to the one of the organization. And after some time, you will be able to see message saying like your default solution is successfully exported. Then I will show you by going to the physical location as well.
A few moments later.
And now you can see the solution has been successfully exported. I will take you to the physical location as well. Here you can see the default solution has been successfully exported. Let me now walk you through the PowerShell script. Here you can see on top 4 lines, we have declared some variables, and then we have 2 functions called install required module and establish CRM connection. Then what we are doing here is we are calling the first function, which is install required module. So before executing your PowerShell script, you need to first install the Microsoft xrm.data.powershell module within your PowerShell script. And before that, what I'm doing is I'm just getting the repository. What are all the repositories that are already installed within your system? So once you run this script or once this line of code gets executed, if you get like unable to find the repositories, then what I'm doing is we are registering the default PowerShell registry. And if you already have installed the default PowerShell registry, then we are setting the execution policy. And after that, we are getting the module name in one variable and what is the version of that module that we wish to install. And then we are in this if loop, we are simply installing that module, which is microsoft.xrm.powershell, and that is all on high level we are doing in this method. So once you have the required module installed, what we are doing is we are first creating a CRM connection by calling method, and the output of that method will be stored in this variable. So let us see what we are doing in this establish CRM connection method. We are getting the CRM connection using the interactive mode. So the moment you pass this parameter to this method or this PowerShell script, then by default you will get the CRM pop-up. We have already seen the plugin registration tool connection establishment pop-up will show up. You will pass your required credentials there. Whatever will be the output of that will be stored in this CRM variable, and that is what you are returning here. That will be again coming to the CRM source connection string. That means your connection is successfully created, and then you are setting the timeout limit. And then what we are doing, we are first publishing the solution or publishing the customizations in the source environment. Once the publishing is done, we are executing the export CRM solution command. So here we are passing the connection string, the solution name, and the solution path where you want to export this solution. And once it is exported successfully, you are going to write solution exported. That is what we can see here, solution exported. So this was an overall understanding and the walkthrough of the entire PowerShell script. I will be putting the download link of this PowerShell script in the description box below. On that note, I end this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries or doubts, please feel free to put them in the comment box below. I will definitely try to answer them as soon as possible. So on that note, I take your leave. I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to Dynamix Academy. And also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamix Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And once again, thank you for your time.